Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Manuel Espinosa here, and in today's video I will show you the shotgun Winchester SXP Extreme Defender. I'll show you this a little more close. Some information about this firearm. This is 12 gauge pump action shotgun, capacity 5+1. Also is coming with this tactical design with pistol grip, optic mount, iron sight system, and a breacher. Another curious thing about this is made in Turkey. The Winchester is importing this thing into USA and selling this to the people. I know a lot of people don't like the firearm made in overseas, and I think it's important, you know, the fact about this shotgun. The plan for today will be shooting around 120 cartridge and see what happens. I will let you know, nobody's sponsoring this video. I am doing this thing by my own, and I just wanna share with you all my experience and tell you at the end the good and the bad things about this firearm. Well guys, I am ready. Stay with me and I see you at the end. Alright guys, first of all I will show you how works these shotguns. About the controls, we have over here the safety, the trigger, and over here we have the forestock release or the slide release. It is little control right here. In order to use the shotgun, always make sure you put the safety on like this. And now I will open the chamber. I will put the first cartridge, and after that I will load the magazine tube. Alright, now I am ready. I will shoot those targets right there, those plastic barrels. I will release the safety and I will shoot. I will make sure the chamber is empty, and that's it. As you can see, really easy to use.
Yeah, never been fired.
Well guys, this is almost the end, and I don't want to continue before say thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate the time you are taking to watch the whole demonstration. Now, coming back to the shotgun, I will say the experience shooting this thing was absolutely awesome. This is working really well. During this video, I was shooting about 120 cartridges and I didn't get jam, malfunction, or anything like that. Also, the ergonomics are fantastic. Everything is really well made on this shotgun. However, there are some little things that I didn't like about this. The first one is about the capacity. In my opinion, for something like this, with this size, the magazine tube is just too small. This is supposed to come with a long magazine tube in order to offer more capacity, at least 7+1, and not 5+1. Another thing that I didn't like is the controls. I don't really like the crossbow safety located right here because I don't have visual of this thing when I am about to start shooting. I like more when the safety is coming on the top of the receiver. And another thing that I didn't like is the for stock release, this control right here. It's a little hard to reach this thing. And finally, another thing that I didn't like is no really big deal, maybe it's just me, but I didn't like this shield elevator. This piece right here is something hurting my finger every single time when I was loading the magazine tube. And this is the thing, most of the Winchester are coming with the same mechanism, but I will tell you, the edge of this thing right here is something hurting the finger every time, at least for me. That is the reason, because always I will recommend you to use gloves when you are working with this kind of shotgun, with this mechanism like this. Besides that, it's a great firearm. It's having a really, we'll say, reasonable price. For $500 is actually the current price of this thing. I will say you are getting a lot for the money that you are paying for. If you are thinking this is something that is gonna be useful for you, go forward, get one of these ones. You will have a lot of fun, because I will say this is really well made and it's working really good. Well guys, this is all that I got in this video. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.